So here is how to factory reset iPhone. To get started, you first need to open up the Settings application on your phone. So let's go over to Settings. Once you're here, you need to find and go over to General. So let's scroll down and find the General option. Once you find it, tap on it. And over here on this page, you need to find the option that says Transfer or Reset iPhone. You can usually find it on the bottom. So scroll down to the very bottom and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. From here, select the option Erase all content and settings on the bottom. After that, it will show you exactly what will be erased from this iPhone. And if you want to proceed, just tap on Continue. And all the contents of your iPhone will be erased and it will be reset to factory settings. And that's it. That is exactly how to factory reset iPhone.